In today's fast-paced landscape, customers often encounter frustrating hurdles while assembling products or comprehending their functionality. This ordeal consumes hours and breeds confusion. But what if there existed a transformative solution? Enter VisionXR, a groundbreaking innovation fueled by WebXR technology. VisionXR empowers vendors by offering a seamless avenue to craft customized R product guides. It goes beyond simple instructions, delivering a lifelike representation of the actual product. Here's how VisionXR operates. Vendors initiate the journey at visionxr.versal.app. With a click, they're led to a mandatory form. This form gathers vital details like email, password key, and product name. Once submitted, VisionXR takes over, handling the heavy lifting. Behind the scenes, Cloudinary supports VisionXR in storing vendor-submitted GLB/gltf models. These seamlessly integrate into the backend's 3.js code, forming an immersive XR encounter. Parcel Package then enriches this by creating dedicated build folders, each hosting an XR demo. Deployment flows effortlessly through a GitHub and on-render-based pipeline. The outcome is an on-render hosted URL for the product's XR demo, accessible to vendors and visitors on our website. For instance, consider the beer drone, our chosen demo product. A buy now click thrusts customers into a captivating XR journey. They explore from every angle, grasping appearance and dimensions. A comprehensive, user-friendly guide accompanies this, explaining assembly and usage. In a world cherishing time, VisionXR is the game changer. It bridges vendor-customer gaps, reshaping product comprehension and appreciation. Due to frustration and wasted hours, VisionXR heralds the future of product interaction.